What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. Please excuse the mess. I have a torn down Chief right now, and well, I gotta work on the bobber. But the bobber's not in the right spot, so let me move it around. So the bobber may look a little different to you guys. Right now the sissy bar is off and my Saddlemen Step-Up is off. Now, that has nothing to do with the seat. That has to do with, I had to change the battery. I have some stuff I'm gonna do with the sissy bar. Right now we're gonna change these taillights. Right now, it just makes it easier to go back and forth with this one versus taking all that stuff off over and over again. Where this one I can just pop off. All right, let's give you a little story time. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I've said it barely a couple times. I've only dropped the bobber one time, knock on wood, the first day I rode it to work and back. Now, on the way home, it was just this weird heel, and I just kind of like, the way it slipped the gear and bucked me, and it was all weird. First time, no real miles under me. Things happen. It just sucks. So, not much really happened. I scratched up my mirror, and I broke my taillight, but I didn't break my taillight. Now, I have duct tape on it. So, this guy right here, it cracked right here. Let's see. Okay. So, it cracked right here, but it took like 5 years for it to have a problem. Look at, not even like, doesn't want to come out now. There it goes. It's been doing this. And I finally said, you know what? We're going to switch these to this. So, there you go. I think that'll be a cool new look for the bike. I have them for the front as well, but I have custom dynamics on the front, and the custom dynamics ones light up. So, like when you're not using them, they're bright like a white circle. They have a halo. So right now I'm going to change these. So that means I got to take this piece off, the wires underneath, plug this in, take that off, unbolt it from there, unbolt it from there. But right now this taillight stopped working, and I know it's from what I did, so no big deal there. But we have the stuff to fix it, and just kind of a cool change up. These you can get at indianmotorcycle.com. There's something new that they've had out, I think for like a year now, something like that, but I'm totally digging this. It's kind of that Euro look, except for shorter, not like stuck out. So let's do it. All right, guys, so I got the bike torn down. We got the fender off over here. Don't worry, the wind has been blowing all this shit in my garage. So right now, this was getting a little chewed up underneath from me taking the fender on and off for so many damn times, but that's the light from my license plate. You can see this is this side. The plug's a little different than the other side, and it's got this little plug for the license plate. So the wires run in here, and they plug in down here, and one over there, and runs to the other one. So we're gonna just take that, swap it out. There we have that. All right, guys, you can see we're putting this little tab back on when it screws into the light, and the little tab covers the cord. So it's got a little nub that goes in there, lets it know it's going the right way. So then you have these little tabs, you run it along. At least you want to get it up in there. Okay. And then we run it down here. And it had it like like kind of forked out. There we go. And then this little plastic tab. There we go. We're back in business. So we're gonna get this plugged in, get the license plate plugged in, and then we can start lining up the other side. All right, so we can see them side by side. I'm gonna turn the light on for you. This is them lit up. You can see that center and full And I'll see if I can do brake for you guys here. Hold on. There's your running and your brake. I think they're about the same brightness when they brake. It's just that clean full on the other one. Let's see. Here's your blinker. Blinker. Alright guys, I think this is a super clean look. Let me grab you. I really dig that clear look. I wasn't like 100% sure when I first did it. I always liked my other ones. But now that I did it, I really like it. So on the front, I have these clear custom dynamics. So the custom dynamics has the little halo light, and then when you use your blinker, it changes. So I think that's really cool. It actually helps a lot. And so now I got clear on both sides. Great light here, LEDs everywhere, which the Scout Bobber comes with LEDs everywhere except for the headlight, which I changed out to the Pathfinder. So definitely on the step in the right direction. I don't know what else I'm gonna do to this bike right now. I got plans in the future. Right now I'm just gonna ride it. And then I need to wash it because hopefully it'll be at a couple shows this year. So we will see. But let me know what you guys think about those. Maybe you got them already. I saw a couple of the dealer that they put them on ahead of time. So it's like an added option. I think they look really good. I'm tired. I gotta go get that sissy bar dropped off tomorrow to change out the emblem. And here, you know what? I'll show you guys. I'll show you the emblem. If you stuck around this far in the video, you should see it. All right, a little dusty, but there you go. It's like a dark bronze color. It goes with all the browns and stuff I have on the bike. So it's not too flashy in the back, but I think that's gonna look really good. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so, all right guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay classy, and I'll catch you on the next one.